Beth from Scrapping Wonders slash Rock Your Notebook, and I am up doing a Plan With Me video. I don't normally do these types of videos because generally I do this really late at night and in bed. But I figured I would because I hadn't set up my week yet, and I am loving this. This is the first time where I have actually used like stickers and all of that nonsense. It's not nonsense, but what else do you call this stuff? I don't know. But this is truly the first time where I've actually used a bunch of stuff and have planned every single day. So at night, late at night, I go and I write down whatever it is that I need to do for the following day. And that has really been helping me stay on task and keep it all together and knowing what I need to do. And I'm enjoying it. And I like flipping through the previous weeks and seeing them. I think they look awesome. So I'm going through these two sticker books. These are the only two sticker books I have, and I got them when they were like on sale for $8 a while ago. I forget. It was sometime last month. But they were on sale for like 60% off at Michael's. So I grabbed these two, and I don't think I would want like a ton of them because I think I would get overwhelmed. So I'm really happy with just having the two and using them, and these are the only ones that I have to pick from, as well as the washi tape rolls that I have in my stash. And every week I literally do this. I flip through the entire book for both of them and I pick out things. And I also am using the Daphne's Diary for this year, and that I'm more using as like record keeping for the family stuff. So I write down things about the family, like if the baby had a cold or if Raina got hurt or something like that. It's more of that kind of family stuff, and this is more of my work plans. This is not so much for family plans. So that is why I don't fill out the weekends, because I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing, and that's pretty much it. This pen is a Jinhao fountain pen. I got it off Amazon. I have it filled with, oh, I forget which ink I filled it with, but it's a really pretty blue. So I went ahead and filled out, thoughts and plans that I have already for the week. And then I'm going to make a conscious effort to get healthy because I'm not healthy, and it's something that I really need to do for myself and for my family. So I was writing little motivational things there in the gray pen, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed my little first Plan With Me video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this setup of a notebook, it's available in my shop. It is a quarterly notebook. So for every quarter is in one notebook. And that's at rockyournotebook.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.